JNTU Kakinada R23 regulation, second BTech first semester regular examinations, November 2024, set number 2, subject electronic devices and circuits, branch EC branch only. Part A, 2 marks questions. ఒకటిలో A, state the Pauli's exclusion principle. B, what are the merits of quantum free electron theory? C, how does the Zener breakdown voltage vary with temperature? D, define rectifier. E, what do you mean by thermal runway? F, why is the transistor called a current control device? G, write the hybrid equations of CB amplifier. H, write the hybrid equations of CC amplifier. I, what is MOSFET? Mention its types. J, define amplification factor of JFET. Part B, second law A, write brief note on Fermi-Dirac distribution. B, define the terms mean free path, relaxation time, mobility. Find the mobility electron in copper if there are 9 into 10 to the power of 28 valence electron per meter cube and the conductivity of copper is 6 into 10 to the power of 7 mho per m. Unit 2 లో third law A, explain the action of a full wave rectifier using diodes and give waveform of input and output voltages. B, derive the expressions for a ripple factor in a full wave rectifier, the resistive load. Fourth law A, draw the self-bias circuits using BJT and derive an expressions for a stability factor. B, draw the collector to base bias circuit of a transistor and derive the expression for the stability factor. Fourth, unit 4 లో fifth law A, distinguish between CE, CB and CC amplifiers. B, draw and explain the hybrid small single model of CB configuration. Unit 5 లో sixth law A, for an n-channel silicon FET with small a is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4 centimeter and ND is equal to 10 to the power of 15 electron for cm power minus 3. Evaluate A, pinch of voltage. B, the channel of width for VGS that is equal 0.5 Vp. B, explain the construction and operation of n-channel JFET with neat sketches and a characteristics curve. Thank you.